Hi everybody. Today I'd like to show you a great digital storytelling tool called inklewriter. Now, if you've spent part of your childhood in the 80s or even the 90s, it's probably a good chance that you've read a choose your own adventure book. But if you're unfamiliar, choose your own adventure books are choice-based works of fiction where readers are presented with a series of choices that they have to make, and these shape the story and define its outcomes. But nowadays, this is called interactive fiction, and there are quite a few programs and websites out there for creating your own. I think these are all great tools for digital storytelling as they teach creativity and language and computer skills and logical thinking all at the same time. And one I really like is inklewriter because it's really easy to use, and also the fact that it's free. So to create a story using inklewriter, all you need to do is go to their website and press start writing here. Then you'll be presented with this. You can just put a title in here. We'll make this about summer vacation. You can have a author if you want to put your author's name in there, and then you can just begin typing your text in this first section. It's sort of the first thing people will see when they start reading this story, so you'll just do a little introduction. And then when you're done with that, you just press the add option button here, and you can add the options that the reader can take as they read your story. So the first choice will just make two options. I could keep adding more if I wanted to. You'll notice it's telling me here I have two loose ends, two different options that I haven't completed. So I'm going to click on the arrow here. It says follow this option. Do the first one. And it just gives me a new box to add the text on. So when people click on that first choice, this is what they'll see. Now that I'm done with that, I can click up here where I can go to my other option that I haven't added any text for, and I can add that. Now you may have noticed the toolbar over to the side. I'll get to that in just a second. There's some common things like the ability to make your text bold or italics. The dot 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 over there is just a way to let you run large chunks of text together. There's also the plus button. It's another way to add new sections. If is a little technical, we won't get into that right now. And then, of course, add images down here at the bottom. Go ahead and click on that. You just can paste a URL of an image and hit use. So underneath here, you'll notice not only is there the add option, but there's also the option to join to an existing paragraph to kind of loop things back around. I'll show you what that's like in a second. Let's just add a few more options to this branch of the story. We can go to the beach, go to the park, and I'll quickly add my text here. Now for our other option, I think we'll have that loop back to a previous section. So let me just type something here quickly. And I'll actually make these options ones to go back and redo things I already wrote about in my story. So I'll just type up my choices here as the options. And what I can do now to get those to loop back to what I've already written, I can click join to an existing paragraph. And that'll bring up all the options I've already typed. I'll just click on the one I want that to loop to. I'm ready to go. I'll do that with my other one here. Join it to, there we go. And now I can keep adding more and more and more, or if I'm done, just hit the share button up here. And what that does, if you create an account and are logged in, is give you a URL that you can copy and paste or share out to other people. And when somebody opens that link up, they'll be able to enjoy your interactive story. So they can click on the different choices. It'll open up what we typed up. If they come to a dead end, they can back up by clicking on here, or they can press the start again button up here. Let's find the happy ending this time. So that's inklewriter. It's really easy. It's really great. Kids are going to love it if they get a chance to use it. If you'd like help setting it up or getting it going in your classroom, please contact your friendly neighborhood ITC. Otherwise, have a great summer, everybody. Thanks for watching.